Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to write an OpenAI agent. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have the OpenAI API key. Alright, so you will need to subscribe that, and for the script you have to install the OpenAI package. For example, for this, you need to install pip install OpenAI. Okay, and for the agents, you need to install pip install OpenAI dash agents. Okay, it's pip install OpenAI dash agents. Okay, that is the package you have to install. Okay, and we will be using this package called async.io. Alright, this is for synchronous streaming. Okay, asynchronous streaming. Okay, let's start with this. Okay, initialize OpenAI agents. So you need to do this. Client equals to OpenAI. Alright. Okay. Yeah. So I put down here users API key from environment variable open API key. Okay, and next you create a vector store for document retrieval. This will be vector store equals to client dot vector stores dot create, and you give a name for your storeroom, the so-called the storeroom, right? And then you define the course data files. Okay, okay, this is the file which you want OpenAI to use when it replies the user when it replies to the user's input. Okay, you can put this is just one file here. So if you have 3 files, you can comma and then you place uh, the other files after this. Okay, so into this list, and then you open the files in binary mode for upload. Alright, so you open the file, and I guess this is a packing function. You pack the files into this. Alright, and next you batch upload the files to vector store with automatic polling. Okay, upload and poll. You can have a read here. This is the documentation. Alright, and for vector store, you can refer to this URL. Alright. Okay, next you after you upload, right, you will check the upload status. Okay, you use file batch dot status. Okay, from here. Okay, and the number of files uploaded you can also validate. Okay, so I have one file here, so when the upload is successful, it will show one, it will show just one. Okay, from here. Okay, file batch dot file counts dot completed. Alright, and next we go to configure retrieval tool for the agent. Okay, so this is a tool, and it is a list. So you are putting this class objects file search tool, okay, into this list. Alright, so here there are 3 important parameters. Okay, vector store ID. Okay, so here is the vector store ID is gotten from here. Alright, so you create a storeroom, something like a storeroom In fact, this vector store is to split your document, for example my PDF, into little chunks, okay, so that OpenAI so that it is easier for OpenAI to analyze or train your document. Okay, so vector store.id, okay, will give you the ID number, okay, and you put that into vector store ID, okay, and also you put it into vector store IDs. Okay, you can have several vector store IDs, okay, and if you have more, you just put comma and you extend below, okay, just insert into this. Okay, so maximum maximum number of results 3. Okay, the maximum documents to retrieve per query. Okay, I have only one here, okay, so I should put 1. I don't have a lot, right? So this is the amount of documents which you want OpenAI, the API, to retrieve during the query by the user. All right, and this is the include search results. Okay, so whether you want to include search results in your question and answer, okay, this you can decide whether it's true or false, okay, whether you want to include the raw content in the agent context. All right, and yeah, so this is the main function here. This is the most important part. Okay, you first construct the agent instance with the tools here. Okay, very important. So everything you have is here, tools, right? So this vector store will read your PDF. All right, and the name, okay, you give it a name, the agent name, and you need to give you need to identify certain skills with the agent. Okay, you need to, for example, you want the agent um, uh, uh, to read and understand this light engineering PDF. So this one, okay, so you can give it okay, you are light engineering expert, and then you can expand, or you can elaborate more. Okay, for example, you want it to be you want this agent to be a coder. Okay, you can extend below. Say you can say I want the agent to be a C# coder. Okay, and if you are if you are going to construct an agent to help people with C#, right? And here result, this is the runner function. So you get runner from here, right? Okay, from agents. So this is to execute the agent with streaming responses. Okay, so now you place the agent object into here, and this is the input. Okay, this is the user input, and it will run. Okay, this will execute and produce a streaming response. So streaming response in real time, you use async for event in result.stream events. Okay, since this is a stream event, okay, it's a real time, okay, and we use asynchronous, right? Okay, filter for text, delta events, partial response chunks. Okay, so you want this to okay, this is just a instruction command. Okay, if the event type is raw response event and is an instance of event data and the response text delta event, so this is to call event or process the event, okay, to give you the chunks. Okay, so this is the it will stream. This is the whole set is here. So this is the little chunk. Okay, so if this little chunk has the type raw response event and is an instance of the response text delta event, you print. Okay, so event.delta, event.data.delta. So it will stream out and you will continue to append. Okay, append to the string, stream and append by itself. Okay, so lastly, okay, this is the main function. Okay, main function called async io.run. So you run the main function. Okay, so and let's try to let me minimize if you want to see the whole thing. Okay, so the codes is just 60 lines of code. All right, yeah, and let's run it. Control B. Okay, so upload status completed, number of files uploaded. Okay, so it's finished in 18.4 seconds. So let's see, let's go back to here. So what did we ask? Okay, this is a light engineering paper, okay, by Christoph Wonderchowitz. Okay, this is about light engineering. Okay, so he is a lighting engineering expert, and we just ask some simple questions. Okay, this is for just the demo. Explain what is illumination intensity with a math expression. Okay, so it answers illumination intensity, often called luminous intensity, refers to the amount of light that's emitted from a source in a particular direction. Okay, so it gives you the definition and the equation. Okay, this is the equation. This is the equation and the a bit of explanation here where I subscript Ci, okay, is the average luminous intensity emitted into the solid angle delta omega. All right, so it's measured in candelas. Candelas is the short form is CD, right? Okay, the solid angle is delta, is I, is delta omega, and luminous flux is delta phi. Okay, so that's it for today. So I hope you you are inspired to create your own agent. Okay, so goodbye and good luck. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.